Hello friends, I am Dr. Sujata Ghoshal. I am a skin esthetician and laser expert. Welcome to the first episode of Dr. Sujata Skin and Hair Solutions, where I will be giving you guidance and tips on skincare and hair care. Well, as you know, summer is almost over and the monsoon is about to begin. So how do we take care of our skin during this time? The last few months were spent in lockdown when most of us were experimenting with cooking at home, and there we were exposed to a lot of heat in the kitchens. As you may be aware, in the kitchen you are more exposed to infrared radiations which are emitted from the gas stoves. So how do you prevent this from harming your skin? Well, first of all, let me tell you what happens when you are exposed to infrared radiation. The skin gets hot, sensitized, becomes irritable, starts looking red, and even starts burning in some cases. So what you must do is try to splash your face with cold water as many times as possible, or rub an ice cube over your face. You can also make a mixture of rose water and cucumber juice which you can keep in the fridge and apply it from time to time on your face. This acts as a good toner too and calms down the red and sensitized skin. Well, this is what we do from outside. Now what should we do from within? As you know, both the things are very important. How you take care of your skin from outside and how you treat it from within. Well, the key word is hydrate, hydrate and hydrate. You must have heard plenty of times that people, doctors and everyone tells us that yes, you must drink plenty of water, 7 to 8 glasses or 3 liters a day. But it's not always possible for all of us. So what you can do is, if you cannot drink so much of water, then try to increase the liquid intake during the day. For this you can drink fresh lime water, buttermilk, juices. Of course, try not to add sugar in the juices. Then also try to increase your intake of vegetables and fruits which contain a lot of water, such as watermelon, cucumber, tomatoes and muskmelon. There are plenty of these vegetables and fruits which can increase the water content in your body. Then another thing which I must tell you is that in places where the climate is hot and dry, the skin tends to become excessively dry and irritable. It starts itching and starts looking red, and most often people are very they don't know what to do in such cases. They think, is it an allergy, is it a rash, or is it some kind of a reaction? But it's not. It is just a effect of excessive heat and dryness. In this case, you must try to use a good moisturizer all over your body which has an inbuilt sunscreen too, and try to apply it on your body immediately after your bath when the skin is wet, moist, and it absorbs these products very easily. On your face, I'll advise you to use a non-oily moisturizer which will not make the skin look very oily after some time. And of course, keep taking care of your skin. Even if it's lockdown or the lockdown gets over, skincare does not come to an end ever. If you want to look your glowing best, you must give some time to yourself and to your skin. That's all for today. I'll come up with something more interesting next time. See you then.